Hi, my name is Pauline from DVS and I'm going to show you how to change your inline filter. The filter comes to you in a biodegradable bag, which means you can throw it in your home compost. This is what a used filter looks like. We will need to remove it to fit the new filter. It'll be tied on, so untie the filter or use side cutters or scissors to snip the tie. Carefully remove the filter from the bag. Carefully fit the filter onto the frame. Tie it off like a shoelace so it's easy to remove next year. Fitting the frame onto the end cap can be a little fiddly. Once you've located the slots, twist to lock. Now we've got the filter fitted, let's put it back in the tube. Now your DVS filter is good for another year.